In this lesson, you will learn about writing equations. Here are 3 different equations written out in word format. What I want to do is translate that into a more mathematical or number symbol format. Okay, so the first one is 3 times a number is 75. Well, 3 times a number, that's an expression right there. 3 times a number I can write as 3n. Is in math means equals 75. Okay, so 3 times some number, a variable, could be p, it could be a star, it could be anything, equals 75. Okay, I could have it flip-flop, 75 equals 3 times n, or I think I'm running off there, 75 equals 3 times n. Okay, either way is fine. Let's look at this one. 32 less than a number is 14. When I see less than a number, I have to be careful because the order matters in subtraction. 32 less than a number. So it's some number and 32 less than that number. Okay, 32 less than that number. So I think about there's something in my pocket and I have 32 less than that number. Is equals 14. Okay. If I did 32 minus n, it would be wrong. That's the wrong order with subtraction. Here's one more. 488 is, well, that one's easy. 488 is the sum, so sum I know I'm going to be adding, the sum of what number and 8. The order doesn't matter with addition, so I just need to figure out what number I can use. I'll use a p this time, and 8. I could write it as 488 is the sum of 8 and what number as well. Either way is okay. And that's the end of our lesson on writing equations.